fluttering around, wiggling fast without a sound. Sway side to side, wiggle with me like a viper. 1, 2, 3. W is the woodpecker, tap, 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 drumming on trees with a little rap. Nod your head, tap your feet, like a woodpecker, nice and neat. It's a xylophone bird singing so sweet, tapping its beak to a happy beat. Clap your hands, sing along. And Y is for a yellow butterfly, flying high, fluttering gently through the sky. Butterfly, light and free, dancing in the breeze with glee. Flap your wings, swirl around, float so high up off the ground. And Z is for zinnia, bright and sweet, a flower so colorful, such a treat. C is for zinnia, pink and red, blooming tall in the flower bed. Sway and dance side to side, like a flower full of pride. W, X, Y's we sang today, learning is fun in every way. Jump, twirl, and dance once more, come back, sing for letters galore.